mean, we could test that. It's snowing out here. It's like 2 degrees. Come back after a while. Alright, so it's been out there for a while. Let's go check it out. By the way, it's currently 2 degrees and it's been snowing. So let's see what's been going on with it. It's buried. There it is. Came right on. Alright, well, let's put the meter, or the leads in the meter, and see what happens. And it still works. Huh, imagine that. Guys, this thing's tough for what its price. Get you one. Click that little shopping cart right there. You won't be disappointed.